Hi, my name is Larry. This video is about Badlands Winch, a 2500 ATV utility winch. The motor went bad, and instead of throwing it away, I converted it over to use it with the RYOBI battery drill. And this video is going to show you the many different ways you can use it, and the many different things you can do with it. It's one of the best buddies you'll have. It does all kinds of things for you. Enjoy the video. If you enjoy it, please subscribe at the end of the channel. At the end of this video, it does show you how I actually did this. So if you hang in there to the end, it is speed up a little bit, so it won't be too long. You can always pause it, slow it down, and if you send a remark, I can always answer you on it. Have a great day. Thank you.